To customize icons in OnePlus 15, first of all, we'll need to launch our settings. Next step is to find home screen, lock screen and style. Then we can scroll down and select icons. Inside, you'll be able to switch between different icons styles, so you can choose one of the options right here. Keep in mind that this may not apply to all of the icons. Some of the apps don't use those options, so the icons will remain as they are. So pick this one for example, and then you can switch the color, and you can also change how big it will be. So each of the options will offer you different customizations, so keep that in your mind. For classic, you can find Art Plus icons that you can turn on and off, which changes some of the icons for some of the apps, and you can also enable dark icons in dark mode when you have it active, and adjust the size for the icons and change the round corner options to make it square or more like a circle. Then finally apply it, and your new icons will be applied. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.